at Starbucks. Cinnamon pull apart. So good. And I got me an iced matcha. Alright, y'all, I got an iced chai latte with oat milk. Cheers. Apartment tour. So when you come in into the front, and then you have the double doors here. Double doors to wash it and dryer. There's a closet here. Going around is the kitchen. Got a dishwasher. Stove. And this is my favorite part of the kitchen, the island. Then if you go over here, oh, we also have a pantry in the kitchen. This is the guest bathroom. You have the guest bedroom here. And look at the views, got some nice views here. And in this room we have a closet here. And we also have a closet here, open closet. Over here, second room. And then if you walk over here, oh, this is the living room, right? It's really, really nice. And I'm gonna have to show you guys the bathroom in the daytime because it's really nice. It's got a great view up top here. I'll show y'all it. And then we got the master bedroom. Trying to hurry up because my time is running out. And a walk-in closet here. Hey guys. All right, so this is the master bedroom here. And we have the double sinks and the toilet and the tub here. And of course that's me. Hi guys. So, and this is the place, and I am so excited to be in my new spot. And I can't wait to decorate and show you guys what I create. And I'm so excited about it. So stay tuned for all of the decor and all of the work that we're going to put into this nice, beautiful home. Hey y'all, so the process has begun. We are all packed up and waiting for the movers. Oh, I got a lot of stuff, guys, but hopefully it's gonna be quick. And I'm actually moving out of a 2-bedroom also, so. And then I have my bed here. Get it moved on with the movers. Let the moving begin. Guys, we have officially moved our stuff in. We got boxes everywhere. Time to unload. Boxes everywhere, stuff everywhere.
She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm on mud. She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm on mud. I'm a dog, I'm a mud. I can smoke already, so part in my blood. I see past pretty faces, so I got trouble trusting. But I let my guard down for you. Said I'll put my guard down for you. Said I'll be vulnerable, so you can break my heart if you want to. She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mud. She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mud. I'm a dog, I'm a mud.
So I'm back from Home Goods. I'll show you guys what I bought from Home Goods. Not too much stuff. I just bought some stuff, found some nice little finds. So I'm gonna show you guys what I bought. So the first thing I bought was this little picture frame. It says beauty, and I thought it was nice. It's gonna go in my bathroom, and it just has a nice little stand. It's just, I'll put this in my bathroom. I also bought me a milk frother set. If you know me, you know that I'm into making matcha set with the whisk spinner. I also bought me a new black rug for my bathroom. This is gonna go by my sink area, so I bought me a bathroom mat, and it's cute and fluffy, so I bought me a black one. So I actually already have a pink pot, but it's kind of old and it's like burnt. I've used it so many times, so I said I saw this one and I decided to get it. And of course it's pink and it's so me. And while we're on the pink things, I also bought me a set of pink velvet hangers. These are my favorite hangers because they're thin and they also are velvet, so your clothes will stay on the hangers. And I also bought me a pair of slippers. I just needed some new slippers, and of course I'm a homebody, so I love wearing slippers around the house. Anything cozy is so me. So I thought that these were cute and fitting for the holiday season, so bought me some cute little slippers. On to his stuff. So he also got one of these signs too, but his is actually the 1 Corinthians 13, 4-8 sign. And it's the love. It says love on it. I'm gonna let y'all read it if it zooms. And you know, it's the verse that says love is patient, love is kind, it does not envy, it does not boast, it is not proud, it does not dishonor others, it is not self-seeking, it is not easily angered, it keeps no record of wrong. Love does not delight in evil, but rejoice with the truth. It always protects, always trusts, always hopes, always preserves, love never fails. So this is 1 Corinthians 13, 4-8. And y'all, he actually found this, and I was like, wow, you know, this was a good find. So he's gonna put this in his bathroom. He also got like this black holder for his toothbrush and the black soap dispenser, the matte black soap. He got a black candle, and it's like the barbershop shave. It smells so good. It smells like, it's very masculine, like men's cologne. It smells very, very good. So we got this to go in his bathroom. Also got some hangers. He got the black velvet hangers. He also got a soap dispenser to go with his little black thing. He got a picture frame, and we've been on a kick with this Sand and Fog brand. So he bought the eucalyptus mint body wash gel. I think this is a cute packaging, and it just goes with his aesthetic of his bathroom. So we already got the hand soaps, so he got the body wash to go with everything that's black. And he also bought this black tray to kind of put his like colognes and all that on. So once we get everything together, of course I'm gonna do like haul of, I mean, I'm gonna show you guys how it turns out, but this is what he has right now. And I'm gonna show you guys his bathroom because he's really beating me out right now with the decor. So his bathroom is actually really nice. But this is all that I got right now, that I got from Home Goods. Of course, I got other stuff coming from like Amazon and all that. So just stay tuned. I'm gonna show you guys his bathroom, and then I'm gonna get ready for I need to cook. I'm supposed to be getting ready to cook. I want to show you guys our bar stools. This is what we have as our bar stools right now. I think they're cute. They're simple black. We want to keep it simple, but you know, very modern. So got us some black bar stools. And then I want to show you this bathroom here. He has this so nice and like cozy vibes in here. So this is his bathroom, and right now he just has like the lights, and I think he's going to change this shower curtain because he now has bought all this black stuff. But this is what he's working with right now. He has his Prada cologne here, and the eucalyptus plant, and then the eucalyptus hand wash. So I think it's really like a vibe in here. You got the little light, really clean and neat. So I'm interested to see how he's going to turn this bathroom, how he's going to fix it up. So we'll be back once we start adding the other decor. So stay tuned. So this is what he did with his yeah, I got stuff everywhere. He did his little sink area like that. And then if you scan over, he has his candle going, and he put his Prada box over here. I want him to hang his picture. He wanted to put it right here on top of the toilet. This is his little bathroom and little section. It's actually really nice, put together, really nice. So update of my bathroom, and this is what we're working with right now. I bought this little stand from Amazon. We have the double sinks, and then I'm gonna try to do something else with this little section, but for right now we're gonna have this. And then I have my bathroom shower curtain put up, and I need to add a rug right here. So the thing with my lamp is like a touch lamp, cordless, so I can set the little lights and put the lamp off, and that's how it looks when it's on. I'm really feeling the vibes in here now. And if you kind of dim it.